Spiritual meaning of sneezing, coughing, bumping, yawning while praying. People have different kind of ways and the way they say about these things, but according to me, this is how I've experienced it. When you sneeze once, it means someone is saying a good thing about you. Someone somewhere is having a good memory about you. When you see sneeze twice, it means someone is jealous about you. Someone is speaking bad about you. Someone is having a negative discussion or a bad intention about you. When you sneeze 3 times, it means someone somewhere truly loves you and has good intention about you, and maybe something good is coming on your way through that day. And then when you yawn while you are praying, most of people who are psychic, when they are praying, most of them yawn a lot. Yawning is just a form of cleansing. It's like you are clean, like you are removing some stuff, some stagnation, you're just cleansing your body while you are praying. It's not bad. According to some people, they say it's like you are being like you are inviting some demons in your body while you're yawning. But no, in other people, or through my experience, while you pray and you are yawning, it's like you are cleansing, you are releasing some things from your body so that you invite the presence of God through the prayer. And bumping, while some people, before even they start talking or speaking, they start bumping. Bumping, it means you are opening. It's like you are opening your aura, like you're opening your chakras for the will of God to dive in. And then at some point, while you continue praying, you burp again. So while you burp, there are some things that you have been praying, and then when you burp, it's either a yes or no. So you have just to pay attention to your intuition while you're praying. What does it simplify? Because to some people, while they burp, while they are praying, it can be the thing they are praying about is exactly like maybe you are praying for breakthrough, and then what you burp, it might be yes, there is a breakthrough, or it might be no, wait. They are so different kind of gestures that God uses while you're bumping, while you are in prayers. Coughing too is a sign of a way of releasing. While you cough, it's like you are releasing, like you are freeing yourself from a cage or from something that was stuck in you. So those are the signs of yawning, bumping, coughing, sneezing while praying. People have different kind of information about this, but this is according to my experience. So if you are passing through this, please do not take it like it's something worse or bad. The spiritual world knows why it's bringing that to you. This kind of things happen to you because they have different kind of messages to you. Always listen to your intuition and always try to learn of what messages that God is trying to send through your ways, through this stuff.